Coenzyme Q10, ignite hidden cellular energy for ageless vitality, radiant skin and a healthy heart. Imagine waking up every day charged like a super battery. Boundless energy, radiant skin and a heartbeat as strong as ever. What if one tiny pill could unlock that secret? Welcome to the world of Coenzyme Q10, the hidden nutrient your cells have been craving. Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, is nature's own spark plug. It fuels every cell in your body, ensuring your heart, muscles and brain work in perfect harmony. Yet, as we age or face stress and illness, our natural levels drop dramatically, leaving you feeling tired, worn out and far from your peak performance. Think about it. Fatigue, weakness, heart strain and even aging skin all have one common culprit: a shortage of Coenzyme Q10. Without it, your cells simply can't produce the energy needed to thrive. And if you're on certain medications, like statins, you're even more at risk. That's why replenishing Coenzyme Q10 isn't just a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Imagine this transformation. By day 7, you'll feel an immediate surge, a switch turned on. Everyday tasks become easier and workouts feel more dynamic. By day 30, notice a remarkable glow in your skin and a heart that beats with renewed strength. Your energy levels soar and you might even hear compliments like, "Did you get a facelift?" By day 90, you'll be wondering why you ever lived without it. Clinical studies show that Coenzyme Q10 can lower the risk of heart disorders, ease muscle pain in statin users, and even cut migraine occurrences in half. Picture your body as a high-performance car. Coenzyme Q10 is the spark plug that ignites your cells' powerhouses, the mitochondria. A boost in Coenzyme Q10 means your cells produce more energy, counteract aging, and protect vital organs with natural antioxidants. It's like giving your body the fuel it needs to run at its absolute best. Your body absorbs less Coenzyme Q10 naturally as you age or face stress. Even the best diet might not supply enough. And let's be honest, nobody's eating 10 pounds of beef a day. That's why a simple daily supplement can be a game changer. It's safe, effective, and the secret weapon for endless energy, a healthy heart, and ageless beauty. Now, imagine your life with unstoppable energy, a heart that never quits, and a glow that turns heads. The secret is out, and it's time for you to reclaim your vitality. Subscribe now for more science-backed health secrets, and join the community of people who refuse to let age dictate their energy and beauty.